What is the hierarchy or ecosystem of Facebook? Okay.
Bro.
No. Whatever. Charger not quite. Taken notes only.
Phone has.
Phone also not ready. Before I come to the class, you have to be ready with everything. When I start writing, then you open the notes.
No sir, after seeing you, you do something.
मोटिवेशन आता सर आपको
Interview में I not be there.
इंटरव्यू भाई
First, what we'll have a Facebook profile. Why we create a Facebook profile?
To post ads.
टू क्रिएट
To interact with the friends.
To interact. Why do we create Instagram profile?
टू इंटरेक्ट
Connecting with friends.
Connect with friends,
Reach.
post, reach, chat, etc. Why do we create Facebook profile? Same. To post, to interact with friends, to chat with friends and all. Okay. Inside profile, what we'll have? We have a
पेज
page. What is the purpose of page? Why do we create Facebook page?
For business.
For
Awareness.
and Meta is very sensitive. You have to take care of Meta like a small kid. Any small disturbance happens, your account will be suspended, and it will never give you your account back. So you have to be very careful. Can I create profile for business? No. Why?
क्रिएट
Your profile, is it, let's say Chandrasekhar created his profile. What will be the name? Example, shortcut. Chandu Don is the name. Okay. Let's say genuinely he wrote Chandra Shekhar. He's spamming on Facebook. He's posting again and again. He's too much liking. He's too much commenting. He's posting 10, 20 posts a day. What Facebook will do? Suspend. Now he'll go to Facebook. Why did you suspend my account? Facebook will tell that we have detected that you are doing unusual activities that humans will not do. You are a bot. What is bot?
Robot.
Robots. So Chandu will tell I am not a robot. So Meta will say prove me you are not a robot. How will you prove that?
Aadhaar
Meta will
card,
ask
PAN
your
card.
official documents. Either your Aadhaar, either your PAN, either your voter ID, driving license, passport, any one of the documents it will ask.
Bots will ask Facebook why their account is suspended.
Bots?
Only we will ask no why it's suspended. Bots won't ask no why account was suspended.
Why bots will ask?
Yeah, so why? So Facebook we are asking. So
Facebook thinking like that.
Facebook thinking that you are a bot, but you are not a bot. There is no bot in between.
But which bot will ask Facebook why my account is suspended?
So why
Bot will not ask. Chandrasekhar will ask.
Chandrasekhar will ask.
No, that's what I'm saying. So Facebook will know that bots won't ask. Like, so if you're asking only, they should like resume your.
Bots might ask. If you are a hacker,
That one.
if you are a hacker, you are creating a bot. So you will try to recover your account again. So what if it's asked for Aadhaar card? Bot तो don't have Aadhaar card. Then permanent.
pro player
Okay. Now Chandrasekhar will and the account will be
Activated.
banned. Now example, you have created your personal profile. Instead of creating for yourself, you created this for business. Does your business have Aadhaar card? No. Different documents will be there. That is the reason you cannot here create your profile for your business. For businesses, what should be created?
Page.
Only page should be created. Okay. Now, can I run ads without a page?
No.
No. What else we need to run ads? We need
Instagram.
Facebook page, we need Instagram page. You know how to connect both of this? What else we need? We need ads account. Which ad account? Meta ad account. Meta have two types of ad account. One is personal ad account. One is business ad account. Personal ad account you don't have it to create it. Everyone, those who have a Facebook profile, you already have a personal ad account. But you don't know. You just have to go there. You have to accept the terms and conditions. Then you have to access it. That's it. But which ad account we need to work always? Business ad account. Okay. Now, page is there, Instagram is there, account is there. If your new employee joins, let's say she have boutique business, she hired 10 employees to run Facebook ads. What access does Shivani should give to their employees? From this
Page.
page access you should give, and
Instagram.
Instagram access you should give,
Ad account.
ad account. That's it. But she need to give it separately, separate. So Meta has a simple solution for this called Business Manager. Okay. Business Manager is used to only access the business resources of Facebook. Okay. How many business managers are there for one profile? Only one business manager. Inside business manager, you will have something called business portfolio. The most important thing, business portfolio. How many profiles an individual person can have? One profile. How many business manager one profile can have? One. Meta business that you have accessed already, that is also part of business manager. Okay. What you have inside business manager? Your business portfolio. Okay. Now, business business portfolio is like a bag. Okay, you came here, dictionary gave you one pen, book, ID card,
बैग
and keychain, and
पेन भी दिया
okay, four things it gives you. So one is your page, one is your book, one is your pen, one is your similarly 4 assets that you have. In Facebook, what we have? Page, Instagram page, your Facebook ad account, and few more things. So to keep all these things in one place, what they gave you? They gave you a bag. One student, how many bags? How many assets? 4 to 5 assets, multiple assets. Bag, is it mandatory?
Yes.
Without bag, can you manage?
we can
It will be little you can manage, you can but it will be little complicated. With bag it will be very simple. So what Meta did, whatever the Facebook page you have will be added where? In portfolio. Whatever the Instagram page you have will be added in portfolio. Whatever the ad account you have will be added in portfolio. Business portfolio is the one where you are going to manage all the things, entire assets of your business. Got it? Now, without this also you can do campaigns fine. Don't learn about portfolio, don't learn about anything, directly go to Ads Manager, make the campaign. But this is very, very important flow when you are professionally working with clients or working as a business. Individually you are working, go to Ads Manager, launch it, don't worry about portfolio, anything, directly launch. But when you are working professionally, you should have portfolio because things should be completely organized. If things are not organized, it will be messed up. If it messed up, Meta will understand that you are a bot again, it will suspend that. Okay. So where is portfolio? In
Business manager.
where is business manager? In your Facebook profile. Okay. Where is the Facebook page? In your Facebook profile. Now, how many businesses for one portfolio? One business. How many business managers from one profile? One. But one profile or one business manager can have multiple portfolios. Business 1, business 2, business 3. I've told you one profile, inside one profile, one business manager. Okay? One portfolio. For one business, how many portfolios? One portfolio. You have 3 businesses. How many portfolios?
3.
3 different portfolios. For 3 different portfolios, you don't need 3 different accounts. You need only one account. In one account only, you can create 3 different business portfolios.
Business manager.
One. Got it? Portfolio 1, portfolio 2, portfolio 3. Clear? Hmm? Where are those 3 pages? In your profile. You have 10 pages. 8 pages are dummy. 7 pages are dummy. 3 are important pages. You create your portfolio. You'll add 1 page to this portfolio, 1 page to this portfolio, 1 page to. More dummy 7 pages will be in your profile, not even related to your portfolio. Got it? This is what the hierarchy of your Facebook account. Profile you have, then business manager you have, then portfolio you have. Inside portfolio, what you'll have? Assets. Now, what are the assets? Facebook page, Instagram page, your ad account, etc. Few more things are there that I'll tell you later. Excel is there, lot of things. Clear? Any doubts? No doubts? Okay. This might be a little confusing, but very, very important. Okay. Next. Now, Shivani created a portfolio. She hired 10 employees. Now tell me which access she should give to her employees. Portfolio access or page access?
Page.
Then Instagram page? So, my bag is there. I want to give only pen to Shivani. What I'll do? I'll take out the pen. I'll give you. You're saying ki portfolio access. I'll remove all the assets from my portfolio. Like assets are there, but I'll give only bag. Which access she got? Only portfolio access. What should I do? I should give my portfolio access to that person. Inside portfolio, I have to assign them the assets. Example, for one person, you want to give only Facebook page. In that portfolio, they can access only Facebook page. You want to give only Instagram, they can access only Instagram. You want to give only ad account, they can access only ad account. Portfolio will give, inside portfolio, what you will assign to them? Different assets. Got it? Clear? Any doubts? No doubts?
All of that's together.
Correct.
वो डिपेंड है सर, वो उसको क्या देना चाह रहे हैं वही दे सकते हैं बस.
अपना मर्जी हो.
ओ सब बोले तो सब.
सब बोले तो सब भी दे देते.
ओके.
I'll show you how to give access and
Okay.
no access.
Instagram page means Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram.
One business manager has
Which access you should take?
पोर्टफोलियो एक्सेस.
Their profile access?
No.
Will they give their profile access?
No.
Then
Portfolio.
portfolio. Do you think your client will have enough knowledge to set up and create a portfolio?
नो.
So you should sit with your client,
Explain it.
with his profile. Don't explain them. They'll ask you hundreds of questions.
Okay.
Then if you
our business.
sit with them, set up profile,
assets.
Set up portfolio, create ad account, create page, assets in portfolio. Take that portfolio to which profile? Your profile. Got it? Full access. Always. If you explain to your client, this is portfolio, sir. This is page to page, sir. This is they learn digital marketing.
Ratan Tata Bhagat.
But it's very important to teach your client also. Why? Because they have unrealistic expectations. They'll give you 10,000 of budget. They'll tell you, please sell me 2 villas. It is impossible. People are sending lakhs of rupees and they're getting 0 sales. This can also happen. It's completely unpredictable. So you have to be very careful with this. Okay. Clear? Now take your notes. Whatever the hierarchy that I have told you, draw the hierarchy in a form of flow chart. Like this. Inside this will be there, inside this will be there, inside.